Hi everyone, CNXsoft here. Kingnovel sent me their latest Android TV box called K-R68 4K with a Rockchip RK3288, 2GB RAM, 8GB flash, and the usual HDMI Wi-Fi. Okay, so let's open the box. Right. Okay. Ooh. Okay, so we get the box first. It's a little bigger than usual, than the box I reviewed recently, I mean. Okay, so what we've got two USB ports, SD card slot, probably AV output, HDMI, SPDIF, Ethernet, Wi-Fi antenna, and at the front we get the power button and the window for the IR receiver. Okay, on the side nothing else, and at the back you can see some wall mounting. Yeah. All right. What's They've got this remote. The batteries are two AAA batteries, not included as usual. And then it's got the power supply, 5 volt, 3 amps, an HDMI cable. Okay, probably 1 meter or 1.5 meters. And we've also got a user manual. Let me explain about the remote and the system configuration and the language. Everything is in English. They also have a troubleshooting section and the specification at the back. I'm not sure I can focus enough. Alright, that's all for today. In the next few days I will review this box and post it on cnxsoftware.com. Thank you, bye bye.